Meaning of ham.
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 Ham. The term ham has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of the most common definitions of ham refers to a cut of meat from the hind leg of a pig that has been preserved through salting, smoking, or curing. This type of ham is often used in cooking and is a popular ingredient in dishes such as sandwiches, omelets, and salads. In addition to its culinary uses, ham can also refer to an amateur radio operator or someone who enjoys performing for an audience in an exaggerated or over-the-top manner.